Implementing a new project management tool across a large organization can feel like navigating a vast and complex universe. Nifty, with its comprehensive suite of features, offers a powerful platform to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and drive project success. However, to truly harness its potential within a large-scale environment, a strategic and thoughtful approach is crucial. Simply rolling out the software without considering the unique needs and intricacies of a large organization can lead to underutilization, confusion, and ultimately, a failure to achieve the desired benefits. As a project management expert, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative impact of well-implemented project management tools. Nifty, in particular, shines when its adoption is guided by best practices tailored to the complexities of larger teams and multifaceted projects. This video will delve into the essential strategies for successfully integrating and leveraging Nifty within a large organization, ensuring it becomes a valuable asset that empowers your teams and elevates your project outcomes. 1. Laying the foundation, strategic planning, and phased rollout. Before even considering user onboarding, the groundwork must be meticulously laid. This involves a comprehensive strategic planning phase. Define clear objectives. What specific problems are you aiming to solve with Nifty? Are you looking to improve communication, enhance task management, gain better visibility into project progress, or standardize project workflows? Clearly defining your objectives will guide your implementation strategy and allow you to measure success. For instance, you might aim to reduce email communication related to project updates by 30% within the first quarter of Nifty adoption. Identify key stakeholders and their needs. Large organizations involve numerous departments and teams, each with its own unique workflows and requirements. Engage with key stakeholders from different departments to understand their specific needs and pain points. This collaborative approach ensures that Nifty is configured and utilized in a way that addresses the diverse needs of the organization. For example, the marketing team might prioritize campaign tracking and content calendars, while the engineering team might focus on sprint management and bug tracking. 1. SciFuture.Cloud. SciFuture.Cloud. Establish governance and standards. To maintain consistency and maximize the benefits of Nifty across the organization, establish clear guidelines and standards for its usage. This includes defining project templates, workflow automation rules, naming conventions, and reporting protocols. Consistent application of these standards will simplify collaboration and reporting across different teams and projects. Phased rollout strategy. Avoid the temptation of a big bang implementation. Instead, opt for a phased rollout. Begin with a pilot group or a specific department to test the waters, gather feedback, and refine your approach. This allows you to identify potential challenges and make necessary adjustments before deploying Nifty across the entire organization. A typical phased rollout might involve starting with a single department, then expanding to related teams, and finally rolling it out organization-wide over several months. 2. Empowering your teams. Comprehensive training and support. The success of Nifty adoption hinges on user proficiency and buy-in. Comprehensive training and ongoing support are therefore paramount. Tailored training programs. Recognize that different teams and roles will interact with Nifty in different ways. Develop tailored training programs that cater to the specific needs of various user groups. For example, project managers will require in-depth training on project setup, resource allocation, and reporting, while team members might focus on task management, time tracking, and communication features. Multiple training formats. Offer a variety of training formats to accommodate different learning styles and schedules. This could include live workshops, online tutorials, video demonstrations, and readily accessible documentation. Having a knowledge base with FAQs and step-by-step guides empowers users to find answers to their questions independently. Dedicated support channels. Establish clear channels for users to seek assistance and report issues. This could involve a dedicated Nifty administrator, an internal support team, or a communication channel where users can ask questions and share tips. Prompt and effective support ensures that users feel comfortable and confident using the platform. Champion identification. Identify Nifty champions within different teams. These enthusiastic individuals can act as local points of contact, provide peer-to-peer support, and advocate for the tool within their respective departments. 3. Optimizing workflows, customization, and integration. Nifty's flexibility allows for significant customization to align with your organization's unique workflows. Workflow automation. Leverage Nifty's automation capabilities to streamline repetitive tasks and ensure consistency. Define triggers and actions to automate processes such as task assignments, status updates, and notifications. For example, when a task is marked as completed, an automated notification can be sent to the project manager for review. Project templates. Create standardized project templates for recurring project types. These templates can include predefined task lists, milestones, and team assignments, saving time and ensuring consistency across similar projects. Integration with existing tools. Recognize that Nifty is likely not the only tool your organization uses. Explore Nifty's integration capabilities with other essential business applications, such as communication platforms, e.g., Slack, Microsoft Teams, file sharing services, e.g., Google Drive, Dropbox, and CRM systems. Seamless integration enhances efficiency and reduces the need to switch between multiple applications. Custom fields and views. Utilize Nifty's custom fields to capture project-specific information and create tailored views that provide relevant insights to different stakeholders. For example, you might create a custom field to track the client priority of a task or a Kanban view filtered by assignee. 4. Continuous improvement, monitoring, feedback, and iteration. Implementing Nifty is not a one-time event but an ongoing process of optimization and refinement. Monitor usage and adoption, track key metrics to understand how Nifty is being used across the organization. This includes the number of active users, project completion rates, task assignment efficiency, and user engagement with different features. Gather user feedback regularly. Establish channels for users to provide feedback on their experience with Nifty. This could involve regular surveys, feedback sessions, or dedicated communication channels. Understanding user pain points and suggestions is crucial for identifying areas for improvement. Iterate and adapt. Based on usage data and user feedback, continuously iterate on your Nifty implementation. This might involve adjusting workflows, refining training materials, or exploring new features that can further enhance productivity. Regular reviews and audits. Conduct periodic reviews of your Nifty setup and usage to ensure it continues to align with the organization's evolving needs and strategic objectives. This helps identify any inefficiencies or areas where improvements can be made.